Cash App pays nearly $3,000, payments hitting bank accounts on this date. The popular mobile payment platform owned by Block Inc. has agreed to pay approximately $3,000 to all eligible Cash App users. But before we continue, in the pinned comment, you can apply to receive your Cash App payout in minutes from now. As it stands, Cash App claimants may very well see hefty payments being deposited into their bank accounts as part of the $15 million legal settlement resulting from their massive data breaches. While the company has denied all accusations, the company has agreed to the settlement agreement, which signifies a monumental moment for users who had to deal with unauthorized transactions or financial losses. Understanding the qualifying criteria is of utmost importance, but it is equally important to note when payments are expected to land in the bank accounts of eligible citizens. The reason behind the settlement, failure to secure data. According to the class action lawsuit entitled Solanas, et al. V. Block Incers and Cash App Investing, LLC, there were two data security breaches that resulted in user data being exposed. The main incident happened in April 2022 after a former employee of the company gained access to approximately 8.2 billion users' data. This data breach of April 2022 resulted in 8.2 million users getting notified of the breach. According to the legal complaint, Cash App and the parent company, Block Inc., were accused of being negligent as well as for their breach due to their failure to carry out their duty and protect their users. Despite this incident of misrepresentation by the company, a second data breach happened in October 2023, where unauthorized access to users' personal information resulted in fraudulent transfers and withdrawals. Further accusations from customers suggested that Cash App was unable to resolve complaints during the error resolution process. Now, go in the pinned comment. You can apply to receive your Cash App payout in minutes from now.